Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today's video we are going to be cutting a stitch a v-neck, a simple v-neck. So without wasting much time, let's get it started. So right here is two different material, you understand, or it's a three different. One is white and blue and what yellow, you understand. So this right here, the width is 2.5 inches, you understand, and the length is also 7.5 and quarter, let's say like almost 8 inches. It's same to this one, you understand. This is the same measurement, you understand. So 2.5 width and the length is almost 8 inches. This right here too is a stiff and it's what cut it into two, you understand. So we are going to put this one on this one like this and to iron it. So we are going to put it on where it's going to go inside, not the wire it's gonna come outside, understand. So we are going to put the stiff into the wire it's gonna go inside. So let's put this one aside and let me show you this one too. This right here is a fabric, understand. Let's see, we are just using this to make example, you understand. So it's 14.5 inches, you understand, as the weight. So we are going to fold it into two like this, you understand. We are going to fold it into two. So the normal neck, let's say like we measured it, let's say like it's like the back is 12 inches. Let's say like the back is 12 inches. We are going to make the neck, the normal neck that we used to cut is going to be what 12 and almost half, you understand. 12 and almost half. So we are going to mark it right here. So after that we are going to mark another we are gonna make it 2 and almost half, you understand. So we are going to mark the other 2 and almost half right here. So we are gonna add the v-neck 1 to it. The v-neck 1 2 is gonna make 3 and almost half, you understand. So 3 and almost half is left like this, you understand. 3 and almost half. So right here we are going to what mark half inches, you understand. We are going to mark 5 inches right here. We are going to mark 5 inches right here, and we are gonna put this one onto this like this, and to mark a straight line, and to mark a what a straight line like this, and to mark a straight line like this. And when we are coming to cut it, we are gonna remove the shape like this. We are going to be removing the shape like this, and also we are gonna get the sleeve. Let's see, like this is the sleeve, you understand. The sleeve armhole, you understand, or the sleeve hole. So let's cut it and let's continue. So this is how we cut it. So guys, please watch it carefully so that you know how to cut yours very beautiful and to stitch it the right way, you understand. So let's do it right now. So guys, this is exactly how to cut it. This is exactly how to cut it. So we are gonna remove the sleeve hole where the sleeve is gonna be stitched, understand. This is just a sample, understand. This is just a sample. So this is just example. So guys, this is exactly how it's looking afterward cutting it. So let's turn to the front part. This is exactly how it's looking after cutting it. So while we are going to iron this one and come and show you how we iron it. So let's go get it. Ironing it, this is exactly how it's gonna be looking after ironing it. This is exactly how it's going to be looking, you understand. So we are gonna fold it inside. We are gonna fold it into two like this. We are gonna fold it into two like this. So we are going to put this one here, you understand, and to put this one too here. So before we stitch it, let's stitch the first one. So please, if you are watching, watch it carefully so that you will able to know how to stitch it beautiful and very nice. So let's get it done right now. So we are stitching to the very end. We are stitching to the down part. So guys, this is where we are gonna be stitched to, you understand. This is exactly where we are going to stitch to, you understand. So we are gonna remove the thread. We are gonna be cutting the thread and to go to the next part, or the next part, you understand. So guys, let's move straight to the next part. So we are gonna turn it like this, upside down like this, and to put this one too on where exactly we are going to be putting, you understand. So we make this one come to the top like this, you understand. So we stitch from the down to the top right here, you understand. So let's get it done right now. Let's get it done right now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. الله أكبر. استغفر. So guys, after doing it this way, we are going to be cut right here. Let me mark it for you to see where exactly we are going to be cutting. We are going to be cut right here and this part right here, so that we fold it inside and to stitch the back part. So let's cut it right now. Let's cut it right now so that we get the right thing. So let's cut it right now without wasting my time. Let's cut it right now. So guys, let's fold this one into it like this. Let's fold this one on inside like this one. So let's fold it like this, and to fold this one to inside, you understand, and to fold this one to inside. So guys, it's just gonna be like this. So guys, it's just gonna be like this. It's just going to be like this. So we are gonna fold turn this way like this, and to what and to stitch this part and to stitch this back part. So let's see if it has make straight. Yes guys, has make straight. So we are stitching this part from what this side to the end, understand. So let's put it on the down. So we stitch it. So guys, this is how we stitch it. So we are stitching it so that we will able to continue. So guys, this is how we stitch it. So guys, this is exactly how we stitch it. So guys, this is exactly how we stitch it, this part, you understand. So guys, after stitching this part, what we are gonna do is to what sew from this part through this part and to on the top part. So let's get it done right now. Let's get it done right now. Let's get it done right now. So guys, let's get it done right now. So let's get it done right now. So we are stitching to the top part. Guys, we are stitching it to the top part. So guys, we are stitching it to the what? The top part. We are stitching it to the what? The top part. So guys, this is exactly how to what stitch this v-neck, you understand. So this is exactly how to stitch a v-neck. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification. See you in the next episode.